Wise grandmother. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf.
I am going to eat you.
Please let me go. I am going to meet my grandmother. You can eat me when I return.
Okay, you may go.
When he was about to return, he told the grandmother about the wolf. The grandmother gave him an idea. Go and hide yourself in a dholak. He did so. The grandmother rolled the dholak on the road. The dholak started rolling down. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him.
Did you see a lamb coming this way?
No. The wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the dholak. Before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached home and was thankful to his grandmother.